Hi there, I'm Heather Nordin, Director of Microsoft at CDW, and today I'm joined by Andrea Cannon, our Senior Manager of Microsoft Solutions. How are you, Andrea?
I'm doing really well, Heather. I'm excited to talk about Microsoft Ignite 2025.
Definitely, me too. Let's get right into it. What did you think?
AI stole the spotlight this year at Ignite with breakthroughs like Copilot and Microsoft Fabric, really redefining how organizations harness data and automation. CDW was able to amplify this momentum as a game-changer sponsor, delivering hands-on demos and showcasing our leadership in security, cloud governance, and AI transformation. How was your week?
It was great, and I totally agree. It's always great to catch up with our customers, and I loved hearing at the keynote about how they are tackling integrating AI to improve employee productivity, accelerate business processes, and how they gave just real-life examples of how to do those things. It was really cool to see.
I know what you mean. A lot of organizations really need help turning AI investments into real business value, and that's how we can help, whether it's simplifying deployment, optimizing costs with Inscape, or enabling teams with Copilot workshops.
And one more really cool thing about this event is that CDW was just recognized as the 2025 Microsoft America's Partner of the Year, Channel America's Award winner, and Global Scale Solutions Partner of the Year.
Wow, the triple crown of collaboration and customer impact. It was really fun to see the balloons falling and the award ceremony during the main event.
Totally agree. I always love Microsoft Ignite, and I can't wait for next year's event. Thanks for joining me today, Andrea.
Thank you.
If you have any questions about driving innovation in the age of AI, reach out to your CDW account manager, Andrea, or me anytime. Thanks for watching.